Oh yes, finally moved in. Now, to fill the house with home appliances, but within budget. Wow! It's LG! They have the best appliances in town! Should I do this and not burn a hole in my pocket? Well, my friends, rent up je lah! LG Rent Up, my best choice. With affordable monthly rental, I can enjoy all these home appliances and so much more. LG keeps life fresh, and I can have a peace of mind in the comfort of my own home. And I love this service that keeps me worry-free. Now, my family gets to live in comfort, and I'm the hero of my house. It's a win-win. I get to spend quality time with my loved ones. This is the life. All in the palm of our hand. LG Rent Up gave me the life I dreamed of. Just rent up. LG has it all.